You just bought a used car. There is a specific sense of relief and progress that comes with rolling off the lot and heading home. But the moment you enter traffic, you enter a system designed to quietly drain your money. It happens slowly, through maintenance you assume is normal, and repairs you never question. A few weeks go by. Something feels off. You drive to a local mechanic, and they hand you a diagnosis. You need brakes. You need transmission service. The bill is over $2,000. And you pay it, because you assume large repair bills are the unavoidable reality of owning a used vehicle. Blindly accepting that assumption is exactly how you lose thousands of dollars on repairs that were already covered. To understand how to protect your money, we have to look past the local repair shop and examine the global automotive manufacturers. Car manufacturers make mistakes. When they discover a structural defect, a safety issue, or a failure that affects performance, they issue a formal recall. A recall is a strict legal requirement. The manufacturer must fix the defect for exactly $0. It does not matter if the warranty expired 10 years ago or if you are the fourth owner of the vehicle. Right now, millions of used cars on the road have unresolved recalls. Everyday drivers are handing mechanics their own cash to fix problems that dealerships are legally forced to solve for free. Step 1. The moment you buy a used car, freeze all of your upgrade and repair plans. Do not schedule any maintenance until you verify the vehicle's unique identity. You need your VIN, the Vehicle Identification Number. This is your car's absolute, unalterable fingerprint. You can find it right here, stamped on a metal plate on the lower driver's side dashboard, visible through the windshield. If you cannot read it through the glass, open the driver's side door. The manufacturer prints the same number on a permanent sticker mounted directly inside the door jamb. You can also pull the number from your official vehicle registration document or your current insurance card. When you write it down, note the formatting. To prevent database lookup errors, a valid VIN never uses the letters O, I, or Q. Once you have this 17-character string, you have the data needed to verify exactly which repairs the manufacturer is legally required to cover. Step 2. Open your web browser. Search for the official NHTSA recall database, or navigate directly to your specific car manufacturer's official website. Type your 17-character VIN into the official search portal and submit the query. This result page shows 0 unrepaired recalls. If you see this screen, it indicates your specific car is currently clear of major documented factory defects. But if your search returns an active warning like this screen, you have an open recall. It will list specific high-cost mechanical failures, like a defective fuel system, bad transmission, or faulty airbags. Identifying an open recall instantly shifts the financial liability. The risk is completely removed from you, the buyer, and placed directly onto the multi-billion-dollar manufacturer. Step 3 is where most people make their most expensive mistake. Do not call a random independent repair shop. Independent mechanics cannot legally perform manufacturer warranty work for free. If you bring the car to them, they will actively charge you a diagnostic fee to find a problem the manufacturer already knows about. Instead, call the service center of an authorized dealership that matches your car's brand. If you drive a Toyota, call a Toyota dealership. When the service representative answers, command authority by reading this exact sentence. I recently purchased this used vehicle and I want to check my VIN for any open recalls or manufacturer-covered repairs. They will look it up instantly, book the appointment, set the clear expectation that your out-of-pocket estimate must be precisely $0. No hidden fees, no negotiation. While you have the representative on the phone, execute an advanced query. Ask them to check your VIN for any active technical service bulletins, or TSBs. A TSB is a documented record of known mechanical weaknesses for specific models at specific mileages. By knowing what parts are likely to fail, you predict your maintenance instead of guessing. Making this specific phone call forces the dealership to absorb the cost of major complex repairs, turning a massive financial risk into a completely free vehicle upgrade. By running these checks, you stop being a reactive participant in the used car ecosystem. You become an informed, strategic operator who verifies before spending. Your timeline of ownership changes. You only take your vehicle to an independent mechanic for regular wear and tear after the branded dealership has cleared every single free manufacturer defect. Look at the math. Unverified transmission or airbag issues easily cost thousands out of pocket. By using the VIN strategy, those exact same repairs cost $0. Over a lifetime of driving, applying this verification process shields tens of thousands of dollars in capital. Building true wealth relies just as heavily on ruthlessly blocking unnecessary losses as it does on generating new income. Before you spend money fixing your car, pause. Check the system using your VIN. Let the manufacturer pay for their own mistakes. And subscribe to the channel for more systems that protect your money. Because in the mechanics of wealth, every single dollar you refuse to lose is a dollar you permanently keep.